New printed design, Hello Kitty collection. Stainless steel vacuum insulation keeps beverages hot or cold for hours. Heat retention, 189 degrees Fahrenheit at 1 hour. 160 degrees Fahrenheit at 6 hours. Cold retention, 46 degrees Fahrenheit at 6 hours. Two-step lid release process prevents excess condensation on the stopper from being flung off while the lid opens. Stopper disassembles for thorough cleaning. Easy to clean double-layer non-stick coated interior enhances durability, and provides greater protection of the stainless steel against salt-containing beverages like sports drinks. Safety lock to prevent the lid from opening accidentally. Zojirushi stainless steel vacuum insulated mug keeps beverages hot or cold for hours with a tight-fitted flip-open lid. The easy-to-clean double-layer non-stick coated interior enhances durability and provides greater protection of the stainless steel against salt-containing beverages like sports drinks. The two-step lid release process prevents excess condensation on the stopper from being flung off when the lid is opened. The lid also contains a safety lock feature to prevent the lid from accidentally opening. The air vent on the mouthpiece allows beverages to flow out smoothly, preventing any gushing or overflowing. The bottle's wide mouth opening is 1/5, 4 cm. A special manufacturing technique was used to make the body lightweight and compact for easy and convenient portability. All parts are made of BPA-free plastic and stainless steel. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent design and form factors. I purchased this one because Zojirushi sells an optional one-piece lid. Sometimes I want a flip and sip, sometimes I want a traditional lid. It works for my uses. I liked it so much, I have a second one on the way. I have other Zojirushi bottles and really like them all. I have used other major brands, we all know what they are, and these are lighter, thinner, and easier for travel and home/office use. I love taking these on trips because they are so lightweight and easy to pack. I was misled, at first, by the disinformation and misinformation about these magic bottles. They don't leak unless you put the gaskets in upside down after washing. They don't have dark crud and particles that come out when you wash them, that is your coffee grunge, not a bottle coating. Hand wash them, the non-stick and slick steel coating makes this easy, after use. It's not hard to take care of these. They hold beverage temp very well. They are lightweight and more compact than most major brands. The flip and sip tops and the locks are just perfect for my use.